All right, we're going to open an Echo Show today because we have a boatload of things to open. And an Echo Show has Alexa in it with a view. So for you guys who've never seen it, it can do show your front door camera. If it's a Wi-Fi camera at your front door, you can see it on the screen. It shows movies. You can tell it to play Amazon Prime movies here. So my kids can see Odd Squad. You can do video calls from it. So anyways, you can see the boxing is very reminiscent of Apple. I've already now removed these top ones. Sorry I didn't get to show you removing them. My video cut off just a second ago. But I haven't opened it. This is the first open, so this is the first I'm seeing inside the box of the Echo Show. Here it comes. Boom. And there it is right on top. I love how they've got these padded tops. It's pretty padded because you've got a screen showing up right on top here. So let's pull this guy out. Oh, goodness. There's the show. Wow. That's what the show's all about. So there's that. I'll take the plastic off in a moment. Can show you what that's about. Let's see what else is in the box. So the next thing in the box is this, blocking that. Okay, so you got a card with some of the things to try. It says, for news, weather, and traffic, say, Alexa, show my flash briefing. Alexa, show me the weather forecast. Alexa, how's my commute looking? Flash briefing you can set up online, and so you can do it. It's got alarms and timers, calendar, shows, podcast, radio, list to do, shopping, shop Amazon. Look at that. Amazon reorder dog food, or Amazon or Alexa order AA batteries. Communications, you can easily connect with other Alexa users. Alexa, show my contacts, call Simon, drop in on Nick. The drop in feature is cool. We'll talk about it later. If you have two Echoes, you can drop in on another person and see how they're doing. Here's the Echo Show paperwork. The getting started. They always have a getting started guide. So this is the getting started guide. Mic button, up and down, LED, camera on and off, power adapter. Tells you how to set it up, plug it in, and setting up your Echo Show initially, which would be another video. And then in the box, there's, of course, their standard chargers. This is a different one from all the other chargers, 21 watts, and it's got a different plug from your usual Kindle chargers, which are same chargers. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Let's take this off and get it open and see what it looks like. They always have a pull tab, so there's the pull tab for this right here on the back. Boom. And just like every Amazon product I've gotten so far, it's an easy removal of the plastic once you do the pull tab. And there it is, folks. Wow, that is really nice looking. There's a speaker on the bottom, so it's got another pull tab here. Wow, that's nice. Wow, that's the Amazon or Echo Show with Alexa built in for Amazon. You guys, this is a really great product. I can't wait to test it out. We're going to set it up next. You're going to want to see this next video. So again, don't forget, subscribe to this channel so you can see more stuff. And that's the end of this unboxing for Echo Show. It's a little anticlimactic compared to some of the other ones we've seen, but hey, we're getting ready to set this thing up. That'll be exciting.